On today's vlog, I'm bringing you a little bit of content creation, lifestyle, cooking, and a day in the life of the lawyer. So brace yourself, it's gonna be fun.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Beautiful people. So I've been up for a while now. I actually just got through filming a try-on haul, or I should say more like a lookbook for activewear and loungewear. So yes, I'm gonna make a reel of that and also do a full review for my YouTube channel. Today is Saturday. It's actually a busy Saturday. I have brunch with Dr. Bay and some friends, family, so that will be at 1 o'clock. So I'm just trying to get some content out before I go out for that, because when I get back, I think I want to do a little bit of work for my job, my 9 to 5 that is, and then I also want to cook a really good meal. So stay tuned for that, because you know it's gonna be a cook with me type of situation, well, a near cook with me situation. So yeah, I do need to sit down and actually film my discussing each item that I'm wearing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then I will come back when it's time to go and get food. So yeah, anyway, that's what we're doing this morning. Hi. Can't believe we're doing a vlog number 2, but yes. Okay, let's dive into filming the rest of this video. Back to show you my outfit. Earrings from Zara, watch from Withings, bracelet from Swarovski, I never can pronounce that correctly, shirt from Everlane, belt from Fashion Nova, mom jeans from Fashion Nova. I will be wearing my Steve Madden booties, and then I'll be wearing this teddy coat right here from Boohoo. So yeah, that is my complete outfit. I'll try to do a full body shot. Yeah, actually, let me attempt to do that. Let me put on my shoes and the jacket, and I'll try to give you guys my full body shot. I'm also gonna just wear my YSL Lou camera bag. Y'all know that's my go-to everyday bag. So yeah, let me show you the full outfit. Okay, I clearly play too much, but yeah, this is what my full outfit is looking like. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm thanking God it's still cold, because I have not been able to wear this jacket out the house, because during the proper winter time, it was just too cold to wear this teddy coat. This teddy coat is not warm enough. And so now that we're in the like 40s, 50s, I can bring out this teddy coat, pair it with my little turtleneck, and I'll be good. And so yes, I'm really actually excited about this entire outfit. I feel very somehow, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm getting vibes, because even though I'm casual, I just feel good to be like semi-dressing up to go out. And so yeah, casual little brunch outfit. I don't know if we're gonna be outdoor, indoor, but the point is, I feel like I look good and I'm here for it. So yes, I'm debating on whether I want to bring this camera with me, or if I'll just use my phone to kind of vlog with me while I'm at brunch. I don't know, I'm not gonna lie, vlogging in public is scary. Am I the only one who thinks like that? I think I am, or I'm not. I mean, it's unusual to carry a camera around and film yourself, so I imagine for other people it's kind of creepy to film in public. Either way, I might, if the quality changes, it's because I'm going to be using my phone instead of this camera, because your girl is too chicken to actually carry her G7X out to vlog. So yeah, anyway, I'm excited to be going to brunch. We are We got 20 minutes till brunch. I'm waiting for Dr. Bay to get out of the shower and get dressed. It feels good to be dressed before him. Boom, I beat you. But yeah, so waiting for him, and once we get to that, we'll be off and out. So yeah, see you in a bit. Sunday came around and it's time for church. Where is the week going? It is Wednesday evening, so I decided to just record what I made for dinner. I have been craving the strangest things, and obviously I'm obsessed with things like kale and mushroom because they're great for your hair. But yeah, I'm craving a very interesting meal, so I decided to, make some French fries, lamb, kale, and mushrooms. And so, yeah, I'm just showing you how I prepared all of this. So yeah, I'm just going to saute my vegetables because I prefer to have my vegetables sauteed. And this is pretty much the finished product. Tell me what you think. Good morning, beautiful people. It is Friday. We praise God that it's Friday. Today I am going to be bringing you to work with me, and so you'll see everything that I do in the day of a life of a lawyer. Today is a little bit of a unique Friday because generally speaking, I don't have meetings on Friday. However, this week is a little bit different. I feel like during the week we have meetings, and that's great and wonderful. Interrupt me during the week, but for some reason when it comes down to Friday, I just like to wind down very calmly and get everything that needs to get done. And so, I feel a little, somehow about having to do meetings today, but also it's okay. Like when you are a lawyer and you're supporting business clients, you got to be on their time, and that's just that. And so I'm okay with that. That's fine. So yeah, that's what we have going on today, y'all. I am wearing workout attire. It's a little funny. It's a little funny only because your girl has been wanting to work out and has yet to hit the gym. Listen, I have been tired. I have been thoroughly, my body is exhausted. I'm tired. I feel like everything is turning into physical ailments. I am just, when you just need to rest. I think this is a testament that when your body is tired, you just need to put everything down and do what you need to do to relax. And so this weekend, I'm praying will be a self-care weekend. Dr. Bay will be out of town, and so I can just really, really lean into caring for myself this weekend. And so I'm looking forward to that. Not that, I don't like Dr. Bay around. I love having him around, but I think I can do all the things that I enjoy doing to give myself that self-care. I'm one of those people who enjoys cleaning, deep cleaning, giving myself scalp massages, doing my nails to kind of relax. I like giving myself facials. That helps me with relaxing and just slowing down time. And so I'm really, really looking forward to doing that this weekend, because when I say I am tired, it's morning and I still feel exhausted. I feel like I need another at least hour of sleep, and that's just not gonna happen, and that's fine. So yeah, anyways, please excuse any noise that you hear. The train station is nearby. There's construction going on. You will hear the heater come on from time to time because your girl cannot be cold. Y'all already know this about me. And so yeah, outside of that, it's gonna be a very productive day. And hopefully we will make it to the gym. If not, it is what it is. Tomorrow's a new day. And so I am so sorry. My arms are getting exhausted. I don't know how long. Ask me to increase your thankfulness. This will brighten your day and open your heart to me. Seek to me in the midst of your circumstances. Look for signs of my unseen presence as you walk along the path of life. to join a meeting with one of my coworkers. We need to basically sync on a new project that we're kind of working on together. There's a little bit of overlap between, you know, her area of coverage and my area of coverage. And so we kind of want to touch base and just make sure that we're on the same page and that we're covering and addressing all the risks associated with this new feature. And so that's what this meeting is about. All right, yeah, you're good. That's fine. So wrapped up that meeting. I am so sorry. I look like I'm sweating in this video. It is just really hot in this room and I naturally am shiny. I get very, very oily and shiny and I'm okay with that because it's good for my skin. But yeah, I basically wrapped up that call with my with one of my teammates, and the outcome of the call is we need to do more discovery. We need to talk to our product teams to basically get more information about the thing that we're trying to work on, the product, the feature that we're trying to work on, and get some more background on what we're doing and why we're doing what we're doing, considering the different product offerings we already have. And so yeah, that's what we're doing for that. Your girl is low-key tired. That was my last meeting of the day. I did get quite a few more emails that came in, and so I want to make sure that I address all the hot pressing emails before I resume my normal course of work today. The goal is to get everything on my checklist completed, and so we're gonna work on that. We're gonna really work on that. But yes, that's that. Low key, I should be getting a lunch break because it is around 2:30, and so actually let's get some food.